Hello, this is Amrit Regmi, and I'm going to demonstrate all the requirements for this project. As we were asked to display the lines of text held by the program, modifying the program following some commands, inserting a new line, deleting the line, swapping the line, and editing the line. So so I have created a text file on my desktop is myway.txt. So let me demonstrate everything so that it, uh, it runs all fine in my working environment. Okay, so let's run the program and go step by step. So as the first requirement, when the user types in the letter small l, uh, the program will initially display the text on the file. So these are the all text on the file that is on. Likewise, when we enter the capital L, it's gonna show all the text on the file. For the second requirement, when user types A with some words, my programming is becoming more complicated. So it will be added to the last line of the text. Likewise, it will also change in the text file that there will be a new line. Also, all those at the end of demonstration. So the second requirement is also completed. The third requirement is allow user to enter the command I. So when user enter command I space 3, they often need manuals. So when I type they often need manuals, it will be added to the third line of the given text file or the text. So as we can see, first, second, third, they often need manuals, so it is added to the third lines of the text. So the third requirement is also completed. The fourth one is we want to be able to delete the row line of the text now by honoring the D. So when user types D or capital D and then commands 3, so let's try to delete line 3. So the line 3s, they often need manuals, which I just add in the previous requirement. So we can see the line 3, they often need manuals, is removed from this file or this text. So let's move to the next requirement. When so let's add one or two more lines. So to append more text, just let me type easily. So let me type more. So I'll try to swap the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So to swap line 6 and 7, I'll enter R, line 6, line 7. So we can see that line 7 moved to line 6 and line 6 moved to line 7. So the swap is completed. Likewise, if you want to swap another line, let's try line 5 with line 7. Now we can see that line 7 is moved to uh, line 7 is moved to line 5 and line 5 is moved to line 7. So this requirement is also completed. The next one is modify the program allow to user to edit a line by using the text. So when the user type E or capital E, the both will work. Let me try one with a smaller E first, and if the user wanna make 1 2 3 4 line 5, if the user want to edit line 5 and type uh, so applications like the, this were used in early 1990s. We can see that the name, the surname Wegmi has been replaced with the word we typed after the command E. Likewise, if we want to edit with the capital E, let's try to edit the line 1 2 3 4 5. Computer programming is fun. Maybe I try to use the capital, two capital letter. It says that rerun the application to enter the command properly. So E. Since I didn't put the line number, it suggested me through the commands to rerun the application. So let me try to run one more time again. So let's start with the first command. Let's see, load the program. So let's try to edit line 1 2 3 4 5 with the computer programming is fun. And we can see that line 5 has been replaced with the computer programming is fun. So if you want to delete, let me try to delete line 6, delete line 5, bring the file back as it like. So anything I missed from here? Let me try to add more stuff, and my text file will change. My text file will add this line 2. Okay, so as we can see, all of the requirements has been successfully demonstrated. If I go back to the text file and check, the text file has been updated likewise. Thank you.